Hello. Hey dude. What's up?
What's wrong with me? A man is part of society. We can't do without other people. In my opinion, human relationships are the most important things in life. But why I find it so hard to keep in touch with my friends and relatives? Why am I always busy and cannot even devote them 5 minutes a day? That's clear that it's important. Sometimes it seems like I don't know them at all. What role do I play in their lives?
Disappointment, nostalgia for the good old days. Where are my friends living? Where are the people I used to know? What connects us now? Maybe they've changed their views. They aren't interested in talking to me anymore. Or the problem is in me? Why am I expecting them to take a step toward me? I should be interested in their own lives. How are they? Where are they going? What goals are they pursue? Right, this is very critical.
As for me, everyone is important. Keep in touch.